Welcome my dear students. In previous period we saw about odd one in 1.2 odd one in. So in that we saw about the Malti and Rima. How the Rima is and how the Malti both are different from each other. So see here Rima. Rima is a stylish one and she had her own group as well as they all decided to make a fun of a Malti in the singing competition. But you can see the Malti, very simple, two ponies and the bindi and the long skirt and that all things that the Rima's group is going to tease her in the singing competition. So see, when Malti finished her singing, the principal was the first one to start clapping, followed by the teachers and then students. Her singing was too good that the principal was the first person who clapped for her. No one was surprised when Malti won the first prize because she deserved it. Her voice was too sweet. Rima did come first in her category. We know that Rima was also the participant in English song category and Malti was the participant in the Hindi song category. So Rima was also first there and here Malti was first. Somehow she felt no joy, but Rima felt no joy for her first status there. Why? Because Malti also got the first in her own category. As the term progressed, as the periods were going on, it was abundantly clear to all that Malti was a bright child. Really, she was very intelligent. She was quite studious and intelligent. Malti was very studious as well as she was intelligent. She fared well in sports as well as in studies. She was good in sports as well as her study. Her forte was mathematics. And what was her strong point? Her strong point was mathematics. Her simple appearance believed a sharp and nimble brain. Her simple appearance. It was not that she is so simple and because of that her brain or her behavior or her intelligence is also simple. No, it's belied. Whatever the appearance, her appearance was not as matchable as to her brain. Slowly, many of the girls began seeking her help in mathematics, and now many students want their many students from her class wants her help for the mathematics. Help which she really and cheerfully gave. And here Malti gave the help very cheerfully, very happily. She never think that I am not ready to give you such kinds of help and that all. She was always ready. The teachers had liked the respectful, intelligent girl from the beginning, and from the beginning everyone liked her. Now girls from the class also befriended her, and all the girls from the class, they were also very friendful towards her. Not Rima and her clique though, but now also Rima and her clique means her group was not with her. They stubbornly dislike Malti and now also continuously they dislike Malti. They were a stylish lot, and here we know that Rima and her friends, that group, they were stylish, and nothing that Malti did could alter the fact that she was not their type and that they were not ready to accept that Malti is also our friend. No, they think that she is not as our type. She is not a stylish one. They never lost a chance to poke fun at her, particularly about her English. They never lost the chance. Whenever she means that according to the phonetics, whenever the words are getting wrong, that time that Malti and her friends make fun of her. Malti felt bad about their behavior, but she felt very bad about their behavior. One day, she was on the verge of tears, and now here, verge means the on the border, means she was now only going to start the tears, crying, when the Rima mocked at her mercilessly because she said ask instead of ask. Means she was means whatever the words ask was there. So suddenly Malti said ask, and here Rima mocked at her. Her voice was trembling, and here Malti's voice was trembling, means that the sound of low and high sound was there in her throat. Malti said, I know my English is weak, yours is good. Please, will you help me to improve it? She asked a question. Will you please help me to improve my English? I know that you are very well in English. I won't be able to help you, my dear, replied Rima with an exaggerated accent. Exaggerated accent means here she was, means too much attitude was there in Rima, and the whatever the accent, the what we said, the methods of speaking was not good. You can see the picture also. Speaking proper English isn't easy for you countrified types. See, countrified types means villages people. Turn your page. Malti's face turned red, and when Rima said that you countrified peoples means that the people from the village, so that time Malti's face turned red. She got anger now. She wanted to retort, and now here retort means answering. Here Malti want to answer but could not find the right words. She couldn't find out the right words. She burst into tears and ran off. So here she started to cry and she ran off. That was horrid, Rima, said Shahanaz. Here Shahanaz, her one of the friend, she said, no, it is not good, Rima. It is really horrible. It is really horrid. It is not good. Yes, agreed Neha and Claire roundly. And one after another, Neha and Claire also, they both were said that no, Rima, it is not good that you, whatever the words you use for Malti. Rima was shocked. And now Rima gets shocked that Claire, Neha, Shahanaz are my friends and they are speaking like this. Her own friends had turned against her. They are opposing me. They are not with me. She walked off in a huff, and here she suddenly get angry on herself and she went to the home. Mrs. Sen, means here Rima's mother, found her subdued over lunch, and here her mother found that the surrenderness of the Rima, but decided not to ask anything. But she decided that I am not going to ask anything to her. Rima knew that she had behaved very badly, but Rima herself knew that really I behaved very bad with Malti. She was too proud to admit it, even to herself. And now she is feeling proud that I am feeling bad about my behavior. If no one will ask me, then also I am feeling proud of myself that I am admiring my mistakes. So here admiring one's mistake is also the good one. So in this lesson we saw how the means that appearance is not, we said na that don't judge the books by its cover. It is like that. So Malti is very excellent and good here. Thank you.